What's up everyone, this is Bill. Today I got a quick video for you guys. Today I'm going to be installing the right hand Shad saddlebag on my Can-Am Ryker 900 Ace. Okay, the Shad saddlebag sits back here in this portion on the right hand side. Okay, so I'll show you what all you get in the package. I am going to be installing it with the max mount and the rear seat mounted on the bike. So I'll let you guys know if I run into any problems. I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Here, I'll show you guys what comes in the package. Okay, so these are the 3 pieces to the bracket that it comes with. This is the mounting hardware. So you get 5. These are all T40 Torx screws with some thread locker already on there. You got 5 washers, you got 3 of these brackets so you can thread into. Then of course you do get the Shad hard case saddlebag. And this does come with 2 keys to lock it back here. Okay, and I picked this up from Pro Caliber. They're a company local here. I had them order it for me, and I believe the total was right around 330 something, 340 bucks for the saddlebag and the bracket. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on the install. If I run into any problems or any tough spots, I'll show you guys on the way. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, so right away, you're gonna put these brackets back here. That's 2 of those clips that it comes with. Okay, and this is gonna sit right in between here. Okay, it's gonna sit in there like that. So without the max mount, you would have this piece here, part of that lip that goes behind the back seat. Okay, and it says that the washers would go in there, so you're not gonna have that anymore. So it is gonna look different. So you're gonna mount this up there with 2 of the smaller screws. Okay, just wanted to show that it's going to be different than what the instructions say, because the instructions don't show how to mount with the max mount. Okay, see what we'll come across after we get that screwed in. Okay, so that 3rd clip, it's going to go right here. Sorry about that. It's going to go right here. Slide that on. Okay, and then here's another part that's different from the instructions. So you're not going to be using that piece that comes with your saddlebag mount. Instead, you're going to remove these 2 shorter screws. So with your rear peg down, okay, you'll have a screw here and a screw there. Those are also T40 Torx. You're going to remove those, and then you're going to see that this has little stubs that stick out that are going to set right in there. And then you're going to use the longer screws that the kit came with. Okay, see if I can. Okay, remember, you're going to put everything together loosely first. There it goes. So you see what I'm saying? Those nubs sit right in there on the max mount. Okay, so that is going to be different from the instructions that you're going to be seeing. Okay, we're not going to use that 3rd piece that comes with the kit. It'll be right in the way of our kickstand. It wouldn't even fit up there. That's only for if you don't have the max mount. Okay, so we're going to get that up there. Put these longer screws in, and then one of our shorter screws that the kit came with is going to bolt into here through here. Okay, so let's get that on there. Okay, so all 5 bolts go down to 159 inch-pounds, or like 158.7, something like that. Okay, so what I did is I torqued these down first, torqued this guy down, and then these back too. Okay, but there you go. That is the Shad saddlebag mount with the max mount. Pretty easy to install. You don't have to take anything apart to get it on there. It's probably less work with the max mount already on here than it is without the max mount, because without the max mount you have to take off all that plastic in the back. You have to take off the side piece. Okay, but there you go, works perfect. I'll let you guys do a walk around with the bag, with the saddlebag mounted. Link in the description to go purchase this. Okay, and the part number and everything will be down in the description below the video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out. You guys have a good day. Peace.